Darling, say what you want, say what you don't, and I will give you more. Darling, show all your faults, show me what is wrong, and I will cherish you more. Up and down things go, and day by day this I know. I love you more. I love you more.
Hi Mommy and Daddy! Happy birthday and happy anniversary! Thank you po sa lahat ng binibigay niyo sa amin, especially yung love and care, and I wish you more birthdays and a healthier year.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Daddy. And we love you. Good health. We wish you more good health and more love, and more wealth.
Happy birthday, Ate Inda, at magsaya ka at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan at saka anniversary ninyong mag-asawa.
Maligayang anibersaryo ninyong mag-asawa.
Panatilihin ninyo ang inyong pagsasama ng masaya at lalo pagmahalan ng bawat isa. Oh, happy birthday!
Kuya Gre, happy anniversary sa inyong mag-asawa. And sana humaba pang inyong buhay.
And day by day I know that I will love you more. Up and down.
Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa at happy anniversary na din.
Ako'y bumabati sa inyong mag-asawa ng happy anniversary at happy birthday din sa inyong dalawa ngayong buwang ito ng June.
I wish you a very happy birthday, Lolo Agi and Mami Linda, and I wish you can continue for many more years to be happy.
Up and down things go. Day by day I know that I will love you more.
Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark, steal a kiss beneath.
Dito sa laro na to, maaari kayong manalo up to 70,000 pesos! And the rest is zero. Kasi nga you are celebrating your 77th birthday. Hindi po nila talaga alam kung nasaan yung 7 dyan. Pera o envelope? Envelope! Zero! Para ligtas yan muna. Mami! Pera o sobre?
Kahit na ano, kung wala man na okay lang. Sobre!
Ang napanalunan ninyo dalawa ay silang dalawa. Sabay. 1, 2. Wait lang, Mami, ha. Wait lang. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go! Matatanggap niyo pa rin dalawa yung 50,000 pesos! Anyway, maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng dumalo in behalf of our family. We're so happy na nakapag-celebrate po tayo ng 70th ni Mami, 77 ni Daddy at ng 47. See you sa 50th anniversary nila at sa 80th ni Daddy.
For the rest of my days, my love will never fail you. My arms will always save you.
Maraming salamat una, sa Panginoon, huwag tayo makakalimot na tumarog sa Kanya. It is our life na yun.
Kaya po maraming salamat sa nakadalo ngayon. Natutuwa po ako at lahat halos ng inimbita namin ay dumating.
I will make you mine. You are all I'd ever need.
Let's welcome to celebrate her 70th birthday, Mommy Enda, and to celebrate the 77th birthday of Daddy Agre. At isa pa na po ang kanilang 47th wedding anniversary. Let's welcome Mommy Enda and Daddy Agre!
My arms will always save you.